before this war of Iran and Israel and US started, here in the Philippines, there was this anomaly in the government. The the flood control project that being corrupted by the governors and the other officials, by the DPWH and other officials of the government agency. I think it's time to bring that thing up again. The Filipino people, I know we don't forget it. I know that some of us is still angry about it. This is me, an ordinary people. I don't know if anyone will happen to watch this video again, but I don't want this issue to die. The money that gets scammed is not the simple as that. It's the money of the people. It's over billion pesos. It's not just one. I'm not that familiar with it, but I think it's 100 billion. I'm even forgetting it myself. No big names has ever got punished. The justice system in this country is so messed up that you get angry, yet you're powerless because you're an ordinary people. I've been wondering, what can I do? Me, a simple individual. What can I do to help this country? I think this is one way of doing it. I don't know if this is speaking out loud, but at least this is speaking. I don't have scripts for this. I didn't even do a research. I just sit here for a while, think of things, and I just speak it out loud. This country, from the very beginning that it established its republic and its government, the politics in here is so dirty. Even the very first president of ours is so political. This country is not even bound by a single language. So any language barrier that it can't be united. We got conquered by the Spaniard 300 plus years. That thing is a big impact on our daily lives. This country is a Catholic country. It's a Christian country. Yet mostly Filipinos here, if they don't know what religion they are in, they're automatic a Catholic. That's how Spaniard impact us. I think from the very beginning of our governance, the system already brought by the power, by the man in the power. I don't even know who or what, but the system is so broken from the very beginning. It's hard to fix. Even the smallest Filipino in this country, even the normal Filipino, if they have the opportunity to corrupt the others, they will do it. The fraud, the flood control project.